Ladies and gentlemen, gather around because today we're taking a trip back to the golden era of custom vans, when van life meant shag carpet, disco lights, and questionable decisions made under a lava lamp. I'm talking about the 1979 GMC Vandura Conversion van, the kind of rig that made you feel like you were both a road warrior and a rock band sound guy. Now, let me tell you, I once had a neighbor named Frank who swore that his old Vandura could outlast his marriage. And guess what? It did. This particular 1979 GMC G25 Vandura was sold for $12,750, around 11,900 euros. And for that price, you're basically buying 4 wheels and a time machine wrapped in metallic brown glory. Under the hood sits a 5.7-liter Chevrolet 350 Ci V8 crate engine, rebuilt and modernized in 2019, complete with Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection. I believe that's like giving Grandpa a pacemaker and watching him run a marathon. The power goes through a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission, sending muscle straight to the rear wheels. The MagnaFlow exhaust system with 3-inch pipes gives it that deep, confident growl. You know, the kind that scares squirrels and impresses gas station attendants. Outside, it's finished in metallic brown with a white pop-up camper roof, giving you just enough space to pretend you're in a mobile penthouse. Chrome bumpers, running boards, tinted windows. And towing mirrors give it some serious attitude. There's even a combo bike rack and motorcycle tray mounted to the hitch, because why not bring your whole garage on vacation? Inside, it's pure 1970s plushness, brown button-tufted velour everywhere. Dual swiveling captain's chairs make you feel like you're piloting the Millennium Falcon, while the rear seats fold into a bed that screams adventure or regret, depending on how long you've been on the road. Up top, the pop-up roof hides another sleeping area, perfect for guests or for escaping your snoring buddy. Amenities? Oh, they're here. A fridge, sink, 2-burner propane stove, 5-gallon water tank, cabinet storage, the essentials for surviving off-grid or impressing your friends in a parking lot cookout. It's got a Kenwood serial, vintage air AC, and an 80-mile-per-hour speedometer that's seen better days. The odometer's rolled over, which means mileage is somewhere between a few road trips and a small lifetime. The Vandura rides on American Racing 15-inch wheels wrapped in Cooper Discovery AT3 tires, 235/70, with front disc and rear drum brakes, plus a beefy rear sway bar for stability. Power steering keeps it surprisingly easy to handle, though I think easy is relative when you're driving a 46-year-old van. What I liked most about this beast? It's unapologetically nostalgic. It doesn't pretend to be efficient or sleek. It's loud, heavy, and proud. I believe if this van could talk, it would have a deep voice, smell like gasoline and coffee, and tell stories about camping next to a bonfire in 1983. If you ever dreamed of living the retro van life, windows down, cassette tapes blasting, and 0 emails from your boss, this 1979 GMC Vandura is the ticket.